This begins our actual POC demonstration. We start out by opening a browser and navigating to our main page. As you can see, we're prompted for authentication. In this case, for our demo system, we have multiple credentials. In real life, each person would only have one set of credentials. We log in with Demo 3 here, which is our most privileged user, and it immediately launches Google Earth with visibility to all of the satellites, because Demo 3 has authority to see all the satellites. As you can see, we check a satellite we want to look at and are asked to authenticate again. We don't have single sign-on for this demo, and we're able to see the trajectory of the satellite we selected. We can go ahead and select all the satellites, and as you can see, very quickly we're able to retrieve the tracks of the various satellites, all of which we're able to look at. And as you can see, the satellites refresh every 10 seconds. So now we're going to come in again, only this time we're going to log in as Demo 4, our least privileged user, who only has access to satellites F through K. So as we authenticate to Demo 4 using our PKI certificate, Google Earth is launched, but this time we only see the satellites F through K, the only ones that we have access to. Of course, we can check the box, authenticate again as Demo 4, and we are able to see the trajectories of the various satellites that we have access to. Notice how satellites A through F are not even displayed on the left here. Now we log off and come back in as Demo 5. Demo 5 has access to none of the satellites, and as we authenticate as Demo 5, you can see that we don't even launch Google Earth. Nothing is returned. So this is how we navigate with the various IDs. Now suppose a friend of ours has sent us a file and says, hey, I found out what all the other satellites are somehow, and I'm going to send you this file. I want you to open it in Google Earth, and it shows all the satellites, even though you, as Demo 4, may only have access to F through K. So as you can see here, it shows all the satellites. I come in to authenticate. I authenticate as Demo 4. But the MLS system has prevented me from seeing any of the trajectories for satellites A through E, because I don't have access to those. It still shows me satellites F through K because as Demo 4, I have the ability to look at those. Now suppose I get this same file from my friend and I launch it again, only this time I'm going to launch it as Demo 5, a completely unprivileged user. As I navigate back to the file that my friend sent me, and I select it, Google Earth pops up, shows me all of the satellites, because that's what was in the driver file that my friend sent me that he wasn't supposed to. However, I can only authenticate as Demo 5 because that's all I have credentials for in this case. And as you can see, when I attempt to access it and then authenticate with my Demo 5 PKI certificate, I don't have access to any of the satellites, A through K. So this MLS system has prevented me from accessing the data that I am not authorized to access. This concludes our short demo. Thank you.